All right, welcome back everybody to your boy Gabs. We are going to continue doing the video game design unit for 4.6.6 target. We're going to get as much done as we can possibly get done today. I have roughly 30 minutes for this video, so let's go ahead and let's run this demo. Okay. Cool, so we have to create a function where on click we add a ball and that ball is going to stay. However, we're going to add a line, and every time we move the mouse, it's going to change the location of the line. And this is what we were given. Okay. So we need to add some lines here, add some code. So let's go ahead and write down what we talked about. This is the function to add a ball. And then this is the function to add a horizontal line at mouse location. That's important because it's going to have to get the location of the mouse. Function to, oh my God. To add vertical line at mouse location. So like these are just things that we are going to have to do. Now what we can do is use the code from the last thing. You know me by now, if you've watched enough of my videos, I am not a fan of getting locations. Okay, so this got the location of the mouse pointer, which I didn't even think about. I mean, I did. Oh no. Oh, well, I didn't save that. So function to add vertical line at mouse location, and I put it right here. So let's just do this function for mouse location. That way we don't have to redo that line of code for the vertical and horizontal location of the mouse. And since we copied that and pasted it, I do not want to set the text. I just want to get its X position and get its Y. That's its location. X position, Y position. All right, so let's go ahead and let's add a function here to add a ball. Add a ball. That's the easiest one that I can possibly do. Oh yeah, this is all going to be on click of the mouse. So we have to man, it's been a few days. Mouse event. Mouse click method function to call. We'll copy that. We'll paste it up here. Function to call, and the function that we're going to call is add ball. Go ahead and let's change that to a capital B. Cool. So on mouse click, we will add ball. We are while we're here. I only talked about two methods that are two mouse events. Going to do don't know yet. Why not, right? All right, so let's add it. Circles, you know me, don't like to retype codes. Circles. Perfect. And because it doesn't reset the circle, like every time we click the circle stays, that's good because we don't have to like remove anything, right? Whereas like on this one, we added a number. We called that number a text. We gave it a X position. We gave it a Y position. Right, and we added that number. Okay. So every time we moved its location of the mouse, why don't we do that, right? Move mouse location. Keep it simple. it got a new X and Y, and then it set those numbers, right? So every time we moved, those numbers were changed. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to set the location of both of those lines inside of that function. We're going to add the lines up here, but we're going to change its location every time we move it. So that's what this is going to be. We might have to add two of these. Move horizontal, move vertical. Yeah, we might have to do two of these. Move location X, move location Y. We might not, because since we're referencing one location. Oh, anyways, I'm moving on. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go back. Let's finish the ball one thing at a time, right? Colors red, set its position. That's going to be at these things down here. We're going to set the location at mouse at its X position, and the mouse at its Y position. Right, that should be circle, set color. Add the circle. Called it circle. Let's create a new one each time. So let's go ahead and comment that out. Just see if it runs. Holy crap, that's a big ass circle. Yeah, let's change that. Oh yeah. God. Okay, I don't know. 5. Small. Yeah, seems about right. Cool. Damn it. Draw a target on the screen that moves in a horizontal line that goes from. We have to go explore. Lines can cross paths. You set the endpoints. Interesting. So, let's do that. Create those variables, put them at the top. X position and Y. I don't even think I have to do that because I did that down here. Number equal. Oh yeah, we gotta create. Let's create two variables. Variable horizontal line and a variable vertical line. Let's see if this works. I have something in mind that I'm gonna try. Right. We're gonna add those here: horizontal line and vertical line, just like what we did up here. We created this variable. We're gonna, and it says new text. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do horizontal line equals a new line, and then vertical line equals a new line. Let's go to our doc. X1, Y1 from X1. Okay, so horizontal line. What's the horizontal line going to have? Let's just make this a comment here. The horizontal line will have the same Y coordinates, and these will have the same X coordinate. Right? Going to be wherever the mouse is. What we're going to have to do is change that position to match up with wherever our mouse is. So this new line is going to have updated what you call it? Oh man. Updated positioning in both same X and Y coordinates. We're gonna have to get back to that. We might have to add that down here. Function horizontal. And that's gonna be a mouse click. And function vert H line. V line. I'm changing it so that way it doesn't match what we've written above. Cool. So what? Okay. Well, let's just change what we know we need to change, right? So every time we move horizontal H line, V line, we're gonna work on one line at a time, and then we'll see if it works, and then we'll duplicate it for the other one. So this is what I mean, right? We're gonna work on H line first. Every time we move our mouse, we need to change its position. So we call this one horizontal line. We need to set its position, right? To wherever it's got it. X is X1, Y1. Gotta get Y. Right. We set horizontal line, not set line width. I wonder if this needs to be here or up above. Either way, I don't think it. We'll just do it here. Get width of the screen. I think that it will figure it. All right, that works. Who is we're gonna comment out vertical line? Oh, we actually never added the line. Go figure. We need to add the line here. Make sure we added the number, and that number had different text. Every time we did that, I don't really know what its coordinates are going to be. Let's just say it's not anywhere that we can see. It's at like the ultimate 0, 0 on this code. Holy cow. Wait a second. Something's wrong. Okay. It definitely works, but not the way I intended. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Where's our line? That's the, okay. The line width is actually literally like the width of like the line, and not like where it starts and where it ends. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I need endpoints. I need a beginning point and end point. Line color, line width, moving it, move at endpoint. Okay. Jesus Christ, where do I set its position? I thought its position. Oh my god. X2, Y2. I want it to go to the end of the screen. So, oh, that's hilarious. I love that. That's funny. How far over it goes, get width, get height. Is that where we want it to go? Y2 is its current position. god. But it's why. Um. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take a guess. Why not at this point? Oh man, this is terrible. This is terrible, 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 terrible. Okay. Oh man, at least it's changing, and its beginning point. Oh no. Um. God, this is harder than it seems, guys. Oh my god, I said it. Okay, at least it's going to where my mouse pointer is, right? Like that's funny. Um. Oh man, that's great. It has okay. Every time it changes, it has to change its its coordinates. Current. Get the current. It's my position is dot get y. Oh yes, yes. Thank God. Okay. Well, I wonder if I can do this twice, where I can say it's 0. Can I set its? Maybe I can make two of them, right? I can double it, right? I can make two horizontal lines, and it doubles it. So it sets its. Okay, I can see horizontal line, right? This is probably the dumbest way to do this. I'm gonna make 4 different. There has to be a way to. Right, this end at the far right. I did that. Position. Starting point. It's right there. Yes. Yes. All right, copy this. Copy, copy. Roger, roger. Now. It's fine. Bada bing. Arbitrarily set up. Alright, the V line's gonna be different, right? Where it's I want it to be at the 0 for the Y. And I want it to be at the get X location. X. I want this 0. Oh no, get. Right. I want it to be at the absolute maximum value of the window. This would be. This would be. Oh no, oh no, 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 what I do, what I do. Unexpected. Unexpected. What did I miss? Oh. B. What did I do? What did I do? Oh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I knew there was something that was happening between the both of them. What? Horizontal line is a line. Vertical line is a vertical line. Oh. Why? Why? Why is it doing that? We're going to combine these. That way it makes it easier to comment out. All right. And then comment that section out. And make sure my line isn't screwed up. So it definitely has to do with why is yeah, that was wrong. I don't even know what I needed this for. Vertical line. Vertical line. That is position. Position will be at this X. Y. Horizontal line. Vertical line. Line here. Line. All right, well, let's just do this. Let's set this new vertical line somewhere. It's going to go from X1. It's vertical, so it's same X to get up. Try that. I don't know. I'm just trying. Well, it's not working. Wait a second. I know what's happening. What's happening is that move mouse method is happening twice. And it's only calling up the latest one. I can only move it once. God damn it. Sorry for that. I can only create one, both lines. Ah, not good. I wonder if I can do this. Okay. I wonder if that'll work. That's the problem. Yes! And the errors have been completed. Alright, it wasn't that bad, I guess. Cool. Alright. Submit and continue. Yeah. Alright, what's 4.7? Let's look at this example. Drawing line. Okay, so what it does, it adds a new line. It says at this x, at this y, adds the line. Function is down. Okay, it starts. Okay, so here's your method, right? Down drag. So when you drag it, it sets the endpoint whoever you let go. Is it down? Oh, on down, create a new line at that x and at that y for both. So it's okay. Yeah. That's what that point is. As you click down, set it here, wherever you are, add a line. That's why nothing pops up. That's if you click down. If you drag it, then it creates it, and then makes the end there, wherever your current mouse point is. Okay, that makes sense. All right, example is done. Actually, open that in a new that up because I don't like rewriting code. Okay, so it sets the position in the dead center. So get width divided by 2, get height divided by 2. And that position doesn't change, so that's going to be in the original start function. It doesn't. Okay, so the only thing that is continuously changing is the endpoint of the ball and the endpoint of the line. So it adds a ball, it adds a line, and all we have to do is change its end position. So let's just write that down real quick. Function only changes endpoint of line and current position of ball. Okay, so let's just call it function. Call it Gabony. I don't care. Wherever the mouse is at this point. So let's add a ball. Circle. And actually set its position dead center. Let's actually, you know what we need to do too? Let's create an outside variable for the center. We don't have to do it more than I really don't like. Center X center equals height 2. By 2. I don't know if we really need any more global variables. We actually might want to create our global variable circle and then is yellow. Its position is center X is center Y. Add the circle. We will test that here in a second. Then we have to add a line. Oh yeah, we should probably make a variable for line up here. Line equals new line. Type. Oh, that's not even hard. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Did I just close out? I did. New line. This is actually pretty easy. And it's actually in the very center. Its X coordinate and Y coordinates are both the same. So it's both at center X and center Y, center X and center Y. It starts and ends at the same spot. I believe that's how it's supposed to be done. Yep, cool. And then add a line, right? Object not. All right, cool. So then what we need to do is we need to change. Hold on a second. Mouse. Function is, we called it grab any. All right. When it moves, we had set the changes. So we have a circle dot set. Just so we can see it, set position of the current e dot get x. I think this is super simple. Maybe this is here just to give us some confidence. Okay. Then it's line dot end. Set. Oh, and this is about it for me. Endpoint. That will be at the same thing. The exact same thing. See if it works. Maybe there's an error and tag. Uh-oh. Missing something. Oh, new line. Come on. Where's my code? There it is. Yeah. That doesn't seem right. Oh, I'm so dumb. Yeah, that's easy. Cool. Yeah, so that's it for, you know what? No, let's just keep submit and continue. We're gonna get another bell noise here soon. So I'll try to mute the mic when the bell. What do we got here? Key events. Okay, so these are keys, like mouse key, or keyboards. Sure, what you got? working. Keep working. I see ideas. All right, I'm going to end the video here, actually. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.